This is a room tour of an accessible silver suite at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Ottawa. This is a fairly new hotel and casino. It just opened a few months ago, so this is my first time staying in a suite, but I do have a room tour of just the regular rooms. So when you first walk in, there is an adjacent room here, but it is blocked off. It should be a door opener. It doesn't work for the front door. I don't know if it's meant to be for that. I'm not sure. There's a thermostat. And then this is really cool. So here, there are controls. So I'm gonna do open and watch that open. So that's good. So there's a living room here. There's a TV there. There's also a dining area here. Another TV. And then this coffee machine is standard in the rooms. The one thing that is different is there is a whole lot of cupboard space down here. There's also the fridge that's in all the rooms. I'm not sure what this phone is, but there's a phone there. And there is a dining area and some bins. Looks like there's a lot of outlets around, which is nice. And then there's a whole bedroom here. So in the closet there are ropes, and we'll just, okay. So there's a mirror on the closet. In the bed, there's a little seating area. There is also another TV. And I think this same thing for, oh, it's stuck. Okay, it's stuck here. Maybe that's because I tried to open it before. Maybe, let me see if I can do no. Okay, so I think it got stuck because I tried to open it before I knew there was a button there, but it's fixed. And then there are also in the room, there's 4 of these drawers that for storage space. There's a nice charging outlet there. And then the last is the bathroom. So I don't know if the other suites are different. I think they have bathtubs, but because this is an accessible one, there is a lot of space, double sinks, a mirror, a lot of space, and then the shower. So very huge shower with a shower seat. So that's great. Yeah, a lot of room. So that's all sweet.